Hello everyone, in this video we will go through the study of plastic. What is plastic? Actually plastic is also a polymer, and we know what are polymers. Polymers are the chain of small monomers which join together to form a very big molecule that is known as polymer, and plastic is a polymer. Introduction. A plastic is a synthetic material which can be molded into desired shapes. Means if we want to give it any shape we can give it. Actually the term plastic means easy to mold. So various things can be made. These are all materials which are made by plastic. Like synthetic fibers, plastics are also polymers. As I told you, what are polymers? Polymer is a very long chain of monomers, and polythene is made from the polymers of ethene. This means that plastic contains a very long molecules made by joining small molecules together. These small molecules are known as monomers. Some of the examples of plastic are polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, Bakelite, melamine and Teflon. These are the examples of plastic. PVC, Bakelite, melamine and Teflon. Polythene is made by the repeating units of ethene, that is the monomer. When the number of small molecules of ethene join and form a very long chain, we get polythene. So the name is also containing ethene in that. These are the molecules, these are the small molecules of ethene which led to the formation of very long chain, so called polymer, and the process is so called polymerization. Kinds of plastic. Plastics are of two types, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So what is a thermoplastic? The word thermo means heat and plastic means ability to melt and mold. Mold means reshape. A plastic which can be softened repeatedly by heating and can be molded into different shapes again and again is called thermoplastic. Some examples are PVC, that is the polyvinyl chloride, used in making of bottles, water bottles, combs, toys and other many things are made from the thermoplastic. Next type is thermosetting plastics. A plastics which once set doesn't become soft in heating and can't be molded a second time, that is it can't be reshaped, is called a thermosetting plastic. So what is a thermosetting plastic? A plastic which can't be set, doesn't become soft on heating and can't be reshaped second time is called thermosetting plastic. Actually these are not flexible. Thermosetting plastic is used in the making of cooking utensils, plates, cups, floor tiles, electric switches, etc. These are the links between the polymers. Links between polymer chains stops movement between them, due to which they can't be remolded. They can't be reshaped once they are given a shape, because the movements between the polymers stop. Means they stop moving. The particles do not move. Therefore, the thermosetting plastics once set can't be remolded or reshaped. And these green color balls, these are the monomers of ethene. Utensils are made up of thermosetting because once they are given a shape, they can't be remolded. Thermoplastics can be melted repeatedly, means they can be reshaped. Thermosets once set cannot be reshaped. That is, once shaped cannot be melted and again it cannot be given a new shape. So here are some advantages of plastic. PVC is used for making gutter pieces, replacing iron because it doesn't rust. Polyvinyl chloride is a tough plastic and it doesn't get rusted, so it replaces iron in the gutter pieces. Bakelite is used for making switches, plugs and sockets. Melamine is used for making floor tiles, cups, plates, that is the unbreakable kitchenware, and many other things. So these are the types of plastic, PVC, Bakelite and melamine. And these are having various uses also, and we are using them daily. And these are some useful properties of plastics. Plastics are resistant to corrosion, means they do not get corroded when they come in contact with the air as iron do. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. So in this video we came to know about various properties and uses of plastics and water plastics and how they are made. They are made by the repeating units of ethene. In our next video we will go through the plastics and the environment.